At Ammar Company, we are keen to offer you world-class chocolate wrapping machines, meticulously designed by our experts and engineers to give you high-speed efficiency at an affordable price compared to other competing machines. Our packaging solutions are capable of holding up to 12 molds for packaging various shapes and sizes at speeds of up to 200 pieces per minute. The real warranty for our machines covers all mechanical parts, motors, and electrical parts for 5 years. Our chocolate wrapping machines include all wrapping methods with one or more layers, using the latest technology, among which are wrapping in one paper with the ability to add a label at the bottom. Using inner paper and outer tape for packing. Wrapping with inner paper and outer tape in the form of pre-cut sheets. Chocolate packaging in different shapes and sizes. Small pieces. Large pieces. Round cut. Oval cut. This machine also allows you to use various packaging materials, such as aluminum paper, net aluminum foil, metallized foil, and cellophane. We designed our machines to offer you the ultimate simplicity of chocolate wrapping that even a child could operate with ease. There is no need for mechanical adjustment from within the machine, and molds can be replaced in less than 3 minutes. Once your order is completed, we can deliver the required machine within 20 days due to our high availability. Subsequently, our after-sales service will always be ready to provide you with all necessary technical assistance to improve the use and extend the life of the machines. All this and more made Ammar a famous company whose machines operate inside the largest chocolate factories around the world.